Welcome back to another book review, and today I'm going to be talking about a masterclass in lean product development, Managing the Design Factory by Don Reinertsen. Reinertsen's name is synonymous with lean product flow. He's written many books on this topic. He's also the creator of Weighted Shortest Job First, otherwise known as cost of delay. A lot of people are familiar with that calculation. But what this book does take you through is things like queuing theory and batch sizes, how increasing the large batches in work, if you're working in 3-month-long program iterations, then you may find that you are delivering much slower than if you're delivering in 1-week iterations. That's batch sizing. Queuing theory. How about when your teams are more than 65% utilized? Did you realize that when you go between 65 and 85% utilized, the time, the queue, doubles in length? That means things in your backlog or your intake are now taking twice as long to be delivered. Go from 85 to 90%, they double again, a factorial. Keep going up to 95% and you can be waiting a factor of 6 times longer for the items in your backlogs to be delivered just by overutilizing your resources and your teams. This book will explain how to calculate that and why it's important. It also goes a little bit into systems theory, a bit of complexity thinking, and it discusses organizational design where we have remote or distributed teams. And of course, we're talking about those very much while I'm recording this video because we're in the middle of a COVID-19 pandemic where the world has been badly disrupted. So how do we work with teams that used to be close together but now are not? And what about during the product life cycle where we can probably have some teams closer working together when they need to be but more distributed or dispersed at other times in the project life cycle? This is the book to read to explain this. This is a masterclass. This is a book I buy for every team member who works for me. They're all asked to read it along with books like The Toyota Way I've already reviewed. This is the book I would recommend everybody obtains. I will put the links, of course, as usual, in the book in the description of the video, the Amazon link. Sometimes it's out of stock, at least as a new book, and you have to search some second-hand copies. I bought a combination of new and second-hand over the years. Managing the Design Factory by Don Reinertsen. Another book to add to your collection. Thank you.